About a year ago, IGEMS added some capability to the scale command where you could reference off of a second distance to scale apart. And I've got a video of that on my IGEMS YouTube page, but as a quick review of how that works, go to our transform submenu on our CAD tab, scale command. Down here in the bottom prompts us select objects, left click, drag a box around that, left click, hit enter. Prompts for base point where we want to scale this up from. I'll choose this corner here. And then from the options down here at the bottom, I'll choose R for reference. And first it prompts specified distance. So this is the distance or dimension that you want to reference off of on the first part to scale up by. So I want to scale up referencing this edge here. So I left click and left click. And then this is the new thing that they added last year where you can specify a second distance. So if I wanted this edge to be 10 inches long also, I can basically click 2 points along here, 10 inches, and then this will be scaled up based on that second reference dimension. So the other option on that is transform scale. And select that again, hit enter. Base points, we'll scale up from there again. And we do reference again. And again, for the first distance, I'm gonna scale this edge up. And then the other option for reference is when it prompts for specified distance the second time, where that second time through, I clicked here and here to go to the 10 inches. If I just hit enter, then it'll prompt specify new distance. So if I want that part to be scaled up such that this 10-inch edge is now 12 inches, I can just type in 12, and that gets scaled up accordingly. So when I first started using that new option, it was a little bit confusing with the prompting for the different distances and what was going on. So other people may have also been a little bit confused by what was going on there. So they've recently added a new option for scale, which is a bit simplified. So if we go back to our transform submenu, they've got the new reference scale command here. So we'll start that. Prompts us again, select objects, left click, enter. Now you'll note that it doesn't prompt for base point. It's just going to scale this up around the center of gravity of the object that you've selected. And then it's going to prompt distance again. Again, this is the edge that you want to reference off of. So I left click there again and there. And then we just type in what we want that edge to now be. And then everything will be scaled up accordingly. So we'll go with 14 and gets scaled up based off of that. That's the new reference scale command. If you have any questions on that, let me know. Thanks.